step I take today started long before this morning. I learned to code, to think in systems, to solve problems that matter. Hands-on, real world, built for what's next. Guided by mentors, backed by quality education. Because the future doesn't begin after graduation, it begins with the right foundation. Choose NCF, College of Computer Studies.
Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Tara na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin mga pangarap mo. Abutin natin mga pangarap mo. Abutin natin mga pangarap mo.
Every step I take today started long before this morning. I learned to code, to think in systems, to solve problems that matter. hands-on, real world, built for what's next. Guided by mentors, backed by quality education. Because the future doesn't begin after graduation. It begins with the right foundation. Choose NCF, College of Computer Studies.
Taral na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Taral na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Tara na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin mga pangarap mo. Abutin natin mga pangarap mo. Abutin natin mga pangarap mo.
Are you looking for quality healthcare education with hands-on experience to become future healthcare professional? Then your journey starts here. Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences. the home of the next generation of healthcare professionals trained for excellence. Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology. Bachelor of Science in Midwifery. Bachelor of Science in Biology. At CHS, students learn through state-of-the-art facilities, driven by artificial intelligence such as mini hospital, nursing proficiency laboratory, medical library, and ORDR simulation rooms. Guided by expert clinical instructors, we provide quality education and hands-on training to prepare students for a successful future. Setting the standard as they are the first ever vehicle to earn Level 3 re-accreditation. NCF College of Health Sciences, your premier choice in global healthcare education. NCF Affordable Quality Education. Your future starts here.
Ano nga ba ang go bag? Ito ay isang halimbawa ng go bag. Maring ito ay isang maging backpack, duffel bag, or sa pagkakataong ito, ang aking go bag ay isang dry bag. Flashlights and headlamps. Advisable na magdala po tayo ng power bank. Of course, your communication device, notebooks, and other documents. Duct tape and masking tape. Working gloves. First aid kit. At this moment po, naglagay po ako ng dalawang klaseng rope. Raincoat. Meron po ako ditong mirror, extra batteries, whistle. Ang layunin ng Bureau of Fire Protection ay ligtas na buhay at ari-arian. Sa muli po, ako ay si Fire Officer 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘍 from Bureau of Fire Protection, Naga City Fire Station na nagpapaalala, laging maging handa para ligtas sa sakuna.
Okay guys, may papakita akong number dito. So, sino yung gustong sumagot? Okay, anong number? Taling number. Wow!
NCF College of Teacher Education, where passion meets excellence. CTED offers Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, and Bachelor of Physical Education. Future educators are shaped through technology-enhanced classrooms, modern science laboratories, and specialized learning spaces that support hands-on and interactive instruction.
Sa NCF, tambayans are not just tambayans. They are a place to vibe with your people. It's where Tigers connect. And sometimes, it's also the best place para huminga. This is where our stories stay long after we leave college. The quiet witness of how we built our future.
Good morning, Bukalistas. Marahay na aga, mga Oragon. We are here at the ADNU University Gymnasium to witness a fiery battle between the 𝘕𝘙𝘈𝘈𝘈𝘚𝘕 versus the Genesis Roaring Lions. And talagang ang ganda ng simula ng ating umaga. Kasi these two teams, alam natin na makakapag-deliver sila ng magandang laban. Magpapakilala muna ako sa inyo ang maghahatid ng mainit na labanan at gitgitan na, of course, sa ating venue dito sa ADNU University Gymnasium. Meron tayo ngayon and at the moment, these two teams having their warm-up sa ating gymnasium. The 𝘕𝘙𝘈𝘈𝘈𝘈𝘚 and nakikita natin na nandito yung fans ng Genesis Roaring Lions having their cheering squad sa ating morning. And of course, ang ating bukal, kung malapit lang kayo dito sa Ateneo, pumunta na kayo kasi marami pang available na upuan dito. Again, this is the Genesis Roaring Lions versus the 𝘕𝘙𝘈𝘈𝘈𝘈 College Rams. And of course, we have here sa side ng Genesis ang mga grabe mag-perform na mga players dito. We have Cereza Meneses, we have Nieto, and sila yung mga guards na talagang inaasahan dito ng Genesis Roaring Lions. They are really known for their speed, agility, and their ability to get those fast break opportunities. And dito naman ngayon sa side ng 𝘕𝘙𝘈𝘈𝘈𝘈𝘈, marami ditong players na talagang seasoned na. We have here Delenya, Reyes, Espanto, and let's see kung ano magaganap sa ating laban. And to hear for some updates from the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions, we have our courtside reporter on the sidelines. We have Flo. Take it away.
Thank you so much, Nino, and marahay na daw, Bicolania. Soaring through every story, this is Florence Ambermal reporting live from the bench of the Genesis Roaring Lions in today's match of Bukal Season 8 Men's Basketball Juniors Division. The Genesis Roaring Lions are coming into this matchup looking to bounce back from their previous game where they fell to the MORMS Patriots 60-82, isang 22-point loss. Ngunit para sa Genesis, hindi lamang ito tungkol sa naging resulta, kundi sa mga aral na maaari nilang dalhin sa laban. From their last game against MORMS Patriots, they were applying the 2-2-1 defense to close the gap in their score, especially in their early game. Ngayon naman, the question is, will the Genesis Roaring Lions keep their strategy against the 𝘕𝘙𝘈𝘈𝘈𝘈𝘈 College Rams, or they prepared a different game plan today? One thing is for sure, the Genesis learned a lot from their last game. Now, we'll see if they can turn those lessons into action against SVC. Kaya naman, keep on watching only here at GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Flo, for that update from the side side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And talaga namang alam natin na kaya nilang makipagsabayan dito despite the Shepherdville Rams having the side advantage para dito sa ating laban. Alam natin na Genesis Roaring Lions, kaya nilang i-utilize kung ano yung meron sila. They have the speed, they have the endurance, and talagang kilalang kilala yung Genesis dito in turning the tables around for every game. Kaya maitikita talaga natin kung anong mangyayari dito sa ating laban. Kasi kahit ako, hindi ko alam kung sino ang lalamang sa ating laban na ito. Because these two teams, kaya nilang mag-gitgitan. And we have 1 minute and 48 seconds left bago magsimula ang ating laban. And we can see na marami pang upuan sa ating ADNU Gymnasium Gymnasium. Kaya kung malapit kayo dito sa Bagong Bayan, feel free to watch. Because 4 na games ang meron tayo ngayon. And this is the first one. The Genesis and the Shepherdville Rams. And ano kaya ang hinahanda ng Shepherdville Rams sa ating laban na ito? Malalaman natin yan with our courtside reporter on the sidelines. We have Danny. Take it away.
Maraming salamat ninyo. Marahay na aga, Vocalistas! Panibagong araw, panibagong mga bakbakan na naman ang ating matutunghayan buong maghapon. Live rito ngayon sa ADNU Gymnasium para sa Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Ako nga pala si Daniela Razon, ang inyong tagapag-ulat ng mga kaganapan mula sa panig ng Shepherdville Rams. Matindi ang ipinamamalas na performance ng Rams sa kanilang Bukal Season 8 journey mula nang magsimula ang season ay sunod-sunod ang kanilang pagkapanalo. At ngayon, panibagong laro, panibagong hamon, pero dala ng Rams ang kumpiyansa mula sa kanilang magandang simula. Kaya ngayong araw, tignan natin kung ang kanilang winning run ay magpapatuloy o mapipigilan ng Genesis Roaring Lions ang kanilang pag-aarangkada. Panalo ang kanilang habol, Rams ang ating tututukan at sa pagtatapos ng laban, malalaman kung sila pa rin ang aatungal mula rito sa panig ng Shepherd.
For that update from the side of the Shepherdville Rams, and nag-huddle na ang ating players sa kanilang mga coaches, and palapit na ang gitgita na inaabangan natin. We have here the crowd of the Genesis, talagang full support from their first game until this one against the Shepherdville Rams. Nakikita natin na their hopes are high and ready silang magsuporta para sa team ng Genesis Roaring Lions. Again, Bukal fans, this is the Genesis Roaring Lions, Genesis College Incorporated Camarines Sur versus the Shepherdville College Rams. Live here at the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium and available sa ating live stream platforms. We have our GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and of course our Facebook page, Bukal Season 8. Ayan na, makita nyo sa inyong screen ang players from these two teams getting ready to start the jump ball. Game is about to start. And ating official referees for Bukal Season 8, the SBP. Jump ball, first ball possession ngayon ng Genesis Roaring Lions. I think tight defense kagad ipapakita sa ating side ng Shepherdville Rams, having this pressure against the Genesis Roaring Lions. And we can see, look at that, attacking the basket on the first possession dito para kay jersey number 24 from the Genesis Roaring Lions. That's Ralph Bondad. And of course, para sa ating first game na ito, we have our guest commentator, the one and only, ang ating commissioner for Bukal Season 8. We have Coach Peter Barcelon. And mamaya babalikin natin ang ating guest commentator. Right now, the Shepherdville Rams, parehas ditong teams, nagpapakita ng matinding depensa para sa ating laban. Look at the ball rotation dito. 3-pointer, medyo nahati doon. Mabilis ang transition from these two teams. And again, we have our guest commentator sa ating first game. We have Coach Peter. Coach, magpakilala ka naman.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning to all the vocalistas out there. This is a pleasure for me to be guesting in this first game between the Genesis and the SVC Rams.
And karangalang na makasama ko dito si Coach Peter, one of the greatest commentators talaga para sa ating bukal. Kasi during the last season, sa mga finals na game, silang dalawa ni Coach Nuki ang naging commentator sa mga huling laban. Kaya marami talagang matututunan sa ating commentator dito.
Thank you very much. Thank you for that compliment. And now as we head to our ball game, SVC and Genesis. SVC has been playing well. They have a 3-0 record, and I think the Genesis has to really step up on their game for them to be able to really compete with this SVC Rams.
They need to double their efforts talaga because at the moment, alam natin na Shepherdville Rams having this 3-0 na standing, nasa kanila yung momentum and the strong energy for this game. That fast break, ang ball possession. Look at that no-look pass intercepted by the Genesis Roaring Lions. And their turn to have this
one
fast
of the
break.
good things about this Genesis Roaring Lions is their tenacity on their defense. Even if nalalamangan sila, nandun pa rin yung energy and yung passion nila going into the games.
And of course, partner, grabe talaga yung pinapakita nilang consistency. From the first until the fourth quarter, napansin ko during their last game. And nakita natin na parang hindi napapagod yung players ng Genesis Roaring Lions.
Yes. And on the SVC Rams, they have the same intensity that they have been showing during their games. The difference is the program of this SVC has been like for 10 years. They have been consistent in producing quality players and quality games in their belt.
And first point will come from the side of the Shepherdville. Nagpapakita ngayon ng full court defense. And Genesis Roaring Lions having a lot of guards here. Madali lang nilang nabababa yung bola. And on the right wing, Bautista for the three-pointer. No good.
For having a team that has 4 to 3 guards on the floor, the advantage is really the speed. The disadvantage would be playing under. This has to be something about the SBC that has a balanced lineup with big men and guards that are really fast and really quick.
Look at that. Genesis Roaring Lions really utilizing their speed, getting those fast break opportunities. That's the second team foul of the Shepherdville Rams already. They are being forced to chase those runners from the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And let's see. 2 minutes